Hello, good afternoon. This is HR number 1. This is HR number 2. The difference is first is the dimension. This one is 240 plus 60. This is 260 plus 60. The second point is you see here with the decal circle, okay, front and back both have. But for HR number 2, you see here without the decal circle, okay, metal one. The unlock ways is the same by finger, by password, and by card, and the electronic key the same. The mortise, the lock body same, installed in here, okay, the same. The battery, okay, HR number 2 is AA battery, and HR number 1 is small one, is AA battery. That's their difference, okay. They're both two colors. One is black and another one is rose gold. This is the same and the different points.